Rutabaga, also known as sweet or yellow turnip, is a root vegetable that offers various health benefits due to its nutritional profile. Here are 10 potential health benefits of rutabaga. Nutrient-rich, rutabaga is packed with essential nutrients, including vitamin C, E, and K, as well as potassium, magnesium, and calcium. These nutrients support overall health and play vital roles in various bodily functions. High in fiber, rutabaga is a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and helps maintain a healthy weight. Fiber also supports heart health by reducing cholesterol levels. Antioxidant properties: rutabaga contains antioxidants like vitamin C and various phytochemicals, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants are beneficial for overall health and may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Immune system support: the vitamin C content in rutabaga supports a healthy immune system. Adequate vitamin C intake is important for immune function and helps protect against common illnesses. Blood pressure regulation: rutabaga is a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Adequate potassium intake is essential for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Weight management: rutabaga is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a suitable food for weight management. Its fiber content helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing the tendency to overeat. Blood sugar control: the fiber in rutabaga can help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. This can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Bone health: rutabaga contains minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are important for maintaining healthy bones. Adequate intake of these minerals can contribute to preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Eye health: rutabaga contains vitamin E, which plays a role in maintaining eye health. It acts as an antioxidant and helps protect the eyes from age-related damage. Hydration: rutabaga has a high water content, which can contribute to hydration. Staying hydrated is important for various bodily functions, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Remember that while rutabaga offers these potential health benefits, individual results may vary. It's always a good idea to incorporate a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet to ensure a well-rounded nutrient intake.